Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post grid on Canva. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So you're going to open your Canva application, and then from here you're going to click on create. Once you click on create, it might show you this option, but what you're going to do is click on the upload, and then from here you're going to upload the picture that you would like to split. So for example, right here, I'm going to add this cat image right there. Now from here, you're going to click on use in new design. And so from here, it's going to show you multiple options, but you're going to select Instagram post. Once you do so, it's going to now load you into a new page where right here it's going to enter the picture. Now, all you have to do is just make sure that it fits all borders so that when you post it, it looks good. And now that we have this one, we're going to click on it. And then from here, we're going to click on the dashboard. And now from here, we're going to click on the apps. And then from here, final, we're going to click on image split. And so image splitter is going to be the first option right here. So we're going to wait for it and click on image splitter. Now for the image splitter, it's going to detect our picture right here. And so we're going to click on split image. And so before that, you can choose the number of rows and columns, but 3 by 3 is usually the best one for Instagram. I'm going to click on split image. And as you can see, now there are multiple splits of perfectly cut photos for this one image. And so we're going to click on save image to pictures. And now once you do that, it's going to now transfer every single photo into the slime. And so from here, you can just click on the first one and make sure that you delete it because you don't need it anymore once all the photos are generated. And so as you can see, all the photos have been generated. Simply right click on the first one and click on delete. And now that you have all the perfectly cut images, you're going to simply go and click on share and then download. And then from here, you're going to select for PNG and then download all the photos. And now you can upload them one by one on your Instagram and make it look good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.